Hey folks, I'm Jerome, and this is Versus. We're in Calgary right now, and you know what people tell me when we're in Calgary? You should try some crispy ginger beef. So we're gonna head up to Chinatown and try some crispy ginger beef. Come with me right now, let's go. Oh my gosh, before we even sat down, they already brought over the crispy ginger beef. Oh my gosh, it's right here. Oh wow. Let's pour some tea first before we do anything else. There we go. Get the husband some tea too. Awesome. We also got some crispy shrimp dumplings too. Okay. So yeah, and they just bring stuff over on carts for you, so you just say whether you want it or not. That's the crispy ginger beef. That's awesome. That's so awesome. That's crunchy. It's real crunchy. It's tender too. It's so good. It's just secretly addictive. Okay, so the crispy ginger beef, as you can see here, it's on the sweeter side. It's got like a light crispy texture to it, so when you bite into it, you get a nice little crunch, and that crunch is also included with the glaze. And it's deep fried. It's just a delectable piece of meat. And invented in Calgary. So, crispy ginger beef. Wow. You can really taste this like a sharp ginger crunch in it, but it's subtly with the glaze. It kind of soothes it out as you take more and more bites. You can see it's just dripping. There's almost like a sweet and a sour to it. Very sweet, very sour. And when you get to the bottom, you get it all covered in like the glaze. Oh, it's just so good. There's a little bit of pepper in there too, so it's got a little bit of heat to it. It's more like a sweet heat. This is really good. That is ridiculously good. While we're here at the Silver Dragon, we also decided, hey, you know, we're not just gonna try the crispy ginger beef, so we got right here fried shrimp dumplings. They look really good, really good. And when they come with the sauce here, so we got the white sauce. We'll find out what that is. Let's take a bite. Oh my gosh! Look at that! Look at that! There's like a shrimp in there. And a sweet mayonnaise. It's like a mayonnaise. These are pork rice rolls. Look at that. A little bit of sauce there. It's like this delicious, juicy pork just wrapped in this big, fat noodle. You can see I've turned around the side here. You can see what it looks like when you pick it up. They give you a little bit of sauce here. Just look at that. Just look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Look, this is beef dumplings. When in Alberta, try beef. There we go. Oh wow. Oh wow. This one was just this nice, rich beef, okay, put into like this tangy, sour soya sauce. So that was the Silver Dragon in Calgary. So delicious and pretty good value too. Like, this is a must stop if you're visiting Calgary and you want some Chinese food. So good. The dim sum was delicious. Thank you, Silver Dragon. Let's go. Hey folks, we're over here at You and Me. And I'm just pouring some tea for me and the hubby. So this is the crispy ginger beef over here at You and Me. Let's try it out. It is really crispy. You can feel it. So it'd be crispy. It should have a nice punch of ginger. It should be a nice crispy. Like, look at the crispy coating here. I can feel it with the chopsticks. Like, look at that. Wow, that is so crispy. Okay. The deep fried beef there, it mixes with the glaze, makes this kind of like, it breaks off in shards, and thank you very much. In shards in your mouth, it's such a pleasurable textural experience, first of all. It's like you're getting like a nice little bite of sugar there too. And then the ginger just comes in as like the end note, making this sweet and kind of almost a little bit more soury note at the end. Just so good, so good. Or like a sharp ginger note at the end. The crunch is real. The crunch is very real. And the crunch over here is just so much more appealing. Nice big piece of crispy ginger beef. There's the inside. That's so good. So good. Deep, rich beef. And like they say when you're in Alberta, eat the beef. So we also ordered the Shanghai noodles over here with sliced beef in it. Okay, this should be like spicy as well. So this is gonna be truly an enjoyable meal. See how that tastes. Look at that sliced beef there. Oh wow. Look at that sliced beef. Soft, tender, smokiness from the wok. Oh, that is so good. That is so good. Let's try the noodles. They should have a little smokiness flavor to them too. Nice, chewy noodles. Okay. Still soft enough. There is that tang from the heat in there. Okay, there's more flavor than it is like anything spicy or anything like that. Very, very good. Oh, that is tasty. There has been some love that has gone into this. Some serious love. That is delicious. Like, guys, really, you need to come down to Calgary's Chinatown. These people are making some amazing food. Okay, they have some amazing run restaurants. I'm really impressed by Calgary's Chinatown. You guys are doing something right. And you know how to put on a good show. So I greatly appreciate it. Cheers to you. Oh wow, that was you and me. We had the crispy ginger beef and the Shanghai noodles of sliced beef there. Oh my gosh, like they say in Alberta, you gotta try the beef. It was absolutely delicious. Such a good time. Let's go grab a coffee. So we're gonna find a cafe. We're gonna sit down and have something to eat or drink. Anyways, come, let's go, let's go. I guess we didn't have to go far. We're over here at Catty Cathy. Happy dessert, come. Okay, can I get a Thai coffee cold, please? Hey folks, we're over here at Catty Catty. It's a Thai sweet shop here in Chinatown on Central. Such an awesome place. I got the Thai iced coffee here. Absolutely, absolutely delicious. Nice sweet flavor to it. Nice strong coffee flavor as well. I also got the lychee rainbow soda. So good. Nice chunks of lychee in there as well. Delicious, delicious. Anyways, go folks, that was Versus. And we went on over to the Silver Dragon and tried some of their crispy beef on over there. It actually arrived just as we were sitting down at the table. Old school dim sum shop. They just kind of wheel over all the dim sum on a cart. Absolutely delicious stuff on over there. Crispy beef was nice. It was crispy. Okay. It had a nice sweet glaze to it too, and a nice sharp ginger flavor as well. Okay. And then after we finished at the Silver Dragon, we went on over to You and Me over here on Central. Oh, such a beautiful, beautiful restaurant. You go in, there's just like cherry blossoms adorned on the ceiling. It is something, it is a sight to see. We had the crispy ginger beef on over there and the Shanghai noodles as well with sliced beef. Both were delicious. When we're talking about crispy ginger beef though, it was way crispier over at You and Me. It just kind of like broke into nice little sweet shards of flavor that just kind of melted in your mouth as you were chewing that nice, soft, pleasant beef. And then that ginger just was like nice and sharp at the end. And then the whole savory glaze also kind of sweetened everything out. It was just such a delectable dish. Okay, so both of these restaurants are top notch. So, which ginger beef was better? Was it the Silver Dragon? Was it You and Me? We have to make a decision, so I'm gonna make the tough call. But you should check out both these restaurants, because guess what? Fortunately, they're both open all year round here in Calgary. Come on down to Chinatown, support these restaurants. Come to Catty Catty too. Try out some of their drinks. Absolutely delicious. Okay, well, let's make that decision right now. Who had the better crispy ginger beef? You and Me. Oh man, I loved You and Me. It was just so much crispier, so much crispier. But Silver Dragon, it was razor thin margins. Your crispy ginger beef is also delicious. So how about you folks? If you're in Calgary, go to both these restaurants, try out their crispy ginger beef, and put in the comments what you think. Let's find out which crispy ginger beef Calgary enjoys. And if you got any other ones, put them in the chat too. We need to know. We need to know. And signing off from here, just remember, when you're in Alberta, try out the beef.